Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to order and pay on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Shop app and log into your account. If you have an account, just log into it. And then once you're done here, so what we're going to do, if you want to place an order, you can simply on your home page here you'll have different orders and categories here, so you can simply click on any one of them and then browse through the categories. You can either do that, or else what you can do, you can search on this, hit on the search bar, and then you can search for any item. Just type it and then search for it, or you can just select the categories here. So however you want, you can just browse through this browse through the page and then select an item that you want to purchase. For example, this hoodie, select that, hit on it, and then what you're going to do, click on. So once this loads, what you're going to do, you're going to hit on, since this is a hoodie, I'm going to select the color, the size, the quantity. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on add to cart. If I want to continue shopping, I will just hit it add to cart, or if I'm done with the shopping, if I want to buy, I will just hit on buy now. So I'll just hit on buy now. So when I get to buy now, so this will take me to the review page where I'm going to review my order and process with the payment. So once this loads here, alright, so when you get to this review page here, you can edit your delivery address and shipping details here. And then now when you get to this payment method here, so what are you going to do, you're going to click on it, and then what you can do, you can add your card or your payment details here. So however you want to pay it, so you can just select it and then add your card details here. Hit on add card, and then just type in your details, hit on save, and the card will be added. And then you can just review this order and then hit on pay now option, and then the order will be paid and then processed for you. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward to order and pay on Shop app. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.